y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am giving you a curly hair wash and go. It is my updated curly hair wash and go. Woo, I have not posted a updated curly wash and go routine for probably some years now. My first one, you guys loved it. Thank you so much on that video. I still get so much love on this video till this day, so I just want to say thank you. But also, I just have not wanted to post one until I found like my perfect daily wash and go hair products, and years later, and I think I finally found my favorite wash and go products that I've ever used in my entire life. 28 years of living, and I just love the way it makes my hair look. I love the way it makes my curls coily. I love how I just literally love everything about it. Like, it doesn't make my hair feel dry. It does not give me a crunch. It is not the lock method per se, but like I said, it makes my curls look amazing. So I just want to give you guys my tips and tricks on how I get my wash and go. Only thing is, this is not first day hair. I don't know if your hair looks like this on first day, sis. Let me know what you're using, because mine's be hella flat. This is probably like 4-5 day hair actually. I am real late with recording this intro. I had a real busy weekend, fun weekend. But yeah, I just wanted to come and do an intro for you guys because I have just been obsessing over my natural hair lately. So I was like, let's do a video catered to the curls. So that's what this is. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one.